lights went out. A hiss in the rain, a choke in the wind, a smear of smoke. Then darkness took the field in both hands. No more easy outlines, no more clear distance, no more comfort of seeing where the next strike would come from. Only shapes, only breath, only the pounding in the ribs saying, stay awake, stay alive, stay near the line. When torches died, when torches died, the battle changed its voice. It stopped shouting, started whispering, started hiding, steal inside shadows, started making every step feel like a question. That is where weaker men unravel. That is where panic reaches for the throne. That is where memory brings up every grave it can find, but not every light burns on one. There is a fire the dark cannot swallow, a flame that does not beg the wind for permission, a holy brightness that lives behind the ribs, fed by promise, fed by mercy, fed by the nearness of God in the worst hour. So when torches died, we did not vanish. When torches died, when torches died, when torches died, when torches died. We listened harder, we stayed tighter, we called each other by name through the smoke. We found the line by faith before sight. We learned the sound of brotherhood in the blind. A shield scraped to the left, a boot dragged behind, a whispered prayer in front of me. Then the sudden burst of contact, steel striking so close it lit sparks in the black. Brief stars, tiny witnesses, enough to show me where to answer. And I answered, not perfectly, not elegantly, but with everything left, because darkness is not authority. It is only absence, and absence cannot rule where the king has spoken. When torches died, I felt heaven come nearer, not louder, nearer, like the Lord himself was moving through the unseen, steadying hands, holding minds together, teaching us to fight by trust and not by sight. So let this be remembered, not only the fires when they burn high, but the moment after when they failed, when the field went blind, when fear leaned in close, and still the line held, still prayer moved, still the blade found its work. When torches died, torches died, torches died. It found believers instead.